Today we're going to talk about installing an MWR-TA, a remote temperature sensor for the indoor units for Samsung. When you open the box, the first thing you're going to see is this 30-foot cable. We'll install this from the indoor unit to the location inside the building of where we're going to install the remote sensor. Also inside the box, you'll find the closure for the sensor that is installed where the cable will be tied into, and you'll see this shortly. Also inside the box, you'll find connectors, butt splices, screws, and a thermal barrier to be installed behind the sensor so drafts can't affect temperatures. Also on the very bottom of the box, you'll find the installation instructions. Now we have the 30-foot cable installed in the wall where we're going to place the MWR-TA sensor. Now we already have the thermal barrier installed on the back. It's sticky tape, so you'll pull it off as you get ready to install it. First, you want to fish your wires through this hole. Now we're going to install 2 screws to hold it on the wall, the anchors. And now we're going to take the 2 ringlets, remove the 2 screws to the sensor. It doesn't matter which one goes where because it's just a thermistor, and taking a reading. Once attached, all you'll need to do is install your cover over top of it, like so. Now that we have the sensor mounted on the wall, we're going to place the cable inside the unit and plug it up. So you'll want to unplug the sensor that is installed from the factory, leave it in place in case something happens to the wall sensor, so they'll be able to use this sensor until you can repair the other. Take the cable, plug it back into the same Molex plug, and then straighten up your cabling going out of the unit.
For service manuals and other documentation, please visit our website at samsunghvac.com or use our Samsung HVAC mobile app to download any technical documentation. Thank you.